Let's chat commodities now, where we have seen a bit of a profit taking coming in for the international markets. On your screens, the gold and silver prices down more than 0.5% there. This is after hitting 3-week highs in the markets yesterday. The Indian markets, in the meanwhile, also have seen some pressure building up. Though the rupee calculation, the rupee has depreciated. So that is what is capping or containing too much of a loss coming in for the gold and silver prices in the Indian markets. The energy space, in the meanwhile, continues to trade on the higher side. You have seen the NYMEX gain up quite strongly. That one is trading at around 6-week highs. The Brent, in the meanwhile, still under 110, and that's because Libya perhaps would be reopening 3 pipelines in the eastern port. The Indian markets, 0.5% trading on the higher side. It's the base metal space which actually continues to be choppy. We did see copper prices hitting a 1-month highs yesterday, and more or less in positive or flat trades is how that space also is trading. Let's get in then. Ram Pitre, he's Senior VP, Head Commodity and Currency Research at Anand Rathi Commodities, and he joins us live on the show. Ram, hi, welcome. Let's start with the precious metal space first. And we didn't see 1200 reaching on the lower side, and the rebound has been quite strong in last couple of sessions.
Yes, actually, technically, if you see the fall, 1200, 1210, 11 level is not a strong support area. In fact, it has to go below the 1180 levels to complete the entire circle. Looks like it is bounced back from 1210 11 level area to almost 1267 yesterday. Looks like it is slightly might overstretch toward 1275 and $1294 on international market, and then the corrective rally might start. So having said that, on international market, a strong support we have seen is almost 1,237.40 area, and on upside is 1,275 to $1,294. I think next 1 or 2 days is quite crucial for the clear direction of the market, because both the central bank of India as well as Fed are likely to meet on 17th on 18th to review the economy as well as to assess the monetary policy. So I think we'll have to wait and watch till that time to give the further cue. But having said that, in domestic market, still I feel if gold comes down to around 29,500, 550 area, this is what at the present it is trading at. With a stop loss of 29,400, you can go long with a target of 29,700 or 29,875 can be seen in the afternoon as well as maybe in the evening market.
How would you, in that sense, put up the silver prices? Because we've seen a bit of a rebound on that one as well. Almost up to around $20.80 is how we saw that commodity trading yesterday.
Yes, looks like almost on a downside it is 20 is a very strong support, 20 or 20.20 area, and I think it should go at least a minimum 20.67 or 20.80 kind of a level, and from there the correction will start. So at the moment some profit booking is taking place, but still I feel that in domestic market we feel that if it comes down to around 45,300, 45,400, that kind of level with a stop loss of 45,100. But we might see 45,750 or 45,900, that kind of levels in the evening market.
That's about the precious metal space, Ram. But how would you look at the energy space? Because NYMEX prices, for one, have been inching on the higher side. A second straight week of decline for the US inventories. Do you think that's the reason you have seen prices jumping up?
Yes, that is one of the reason, and it is holding last 2 days. It is about $98. 98 to 100 is a psychological level. Looks like that as long as we remain above, closes above $98, it can inch higher to about $99.50 or $100. So in domestic market, still again rupee is holding around 61.30, 35 level. Looks like it is a good level to go long at around 6030, 6040 level with a stop loss of almost 5970 for a target price of 6075 or even 6120 can be seen in the afternoon or in the evening market.
Ram, the only sector that has done quite well in the commodity space has been energy, and even as crude prices are up nearly 6 to 7% in this year, it really has been natural gas which is up double digits and still going higher.
Yes, natural gas is basically, it is on international market, it has given a breakout above $4, and that is supporting prices in domestically also, and even feel that it can go higher to around say around 265, 269 area in domestic market. So we recommend buy on natural gas at around 259 with a stop loss of 256, and our target will be 265 and 269 in today's evening market.
Ram, it's not just the international commodity prices that we watch. When it comes to Indian markets, the rupee is of utmost importance. What's your sense coming in for that? Because in last 5 sessions, we've seen more than 2% gain coming in. And today, of course, has been a day of profit taking.
Yeah, from here onward, looks like definitely rupee is at the moment on the appreciation mode, but look like around 60.40 to 62.40, that kind of the brand we may see till entire December month. So close to below 61 there is a buying opportunity for importer, and close to about 61.80, 6200 is a good level to sell for exporters from here onward.
Okay, so that's the view coming in for currency as well. Mixed trades coming in, but a range-bound trend is what you can expect in the currency there. For the other commodities, of course, Ram has a buy strategy coming in for gold, silver, crude, as well as copper for the intraday day there.